Looking for the best mini cordless chainsaw to make your gardening tasks a breeze? In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best mini cordless chainsaws, covering their pros and cons to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's dive in. At number 5, we have the DocSmart CS08 mini cordless chainsaw. The DocSmart CS08 mini cordless chainsaw is designed for those who need a lightweight, efficient cutting tool for gardening and light-duty tasks. With a range of features and capabilities, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons to determine if it meets your needs. Here's a comprehensive look at what this mini chainsaw offers. Pros. High-performance motor. The chainsaw is equipped with a powerful 1000 dub pure copper motor that delivers impressive cutting speeds of up to 26 feet per second. This allows for quick and efficient cuts, with the ability to slice through 6-inch branches in as little as 8 seconds. The deep quenching process enhances cutting smoothness, making it suitable for various wood types. Versatile 2-in-1 functionality. The inclusion of both 6-inch and 8-inch chains allows users to choose the appropriate size for different tasks, whether it's wood cutting, trimming, or pruning. This versatility makes the DocSmart CS08 chainsaw ideal for a wide range of applications in gardens, farms, and parks. Cordless convenience. The chainsaw operates on a rechargeable 4000 mAh battery, eliminating the hassle of cords and increasing mobility while working. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge, providing approximately 30 minutes of operational time with a single charge. Additionally, the chainsaw is compatible with Makita batteries, offering flexibility for users who may already own Makita tools. User-friendly design. Weighing in at just 3.26 lbs, the DocSmart CS08 chainsaw is lightweight and designed for easy one-handed operation. Its ergonomic and non-slip handheld design ensures comfort and control, making it accessible for users of all ages, including the elderly. The chainsaw arrives fully assembled, further simplifying the user experience. Multiple safety features. Safety is a priority with this chainsaw, featuring several protective measures such as a safety lock to prevent accidental activation, safety baffles to guard against wood splashing, and gloves and goggles to protect the user's hands and eyes. The non-slip front handle enhances grip stability during use. Cons. Limited battery life. While the cordless feature is a significant advantage, the chainsaw's battery provides only about 30 minutes of continuous use. This may require users to have an extra battery on hand for larger tasks or projects that demand more cutting time. The DocSmart CS08 mini cordless chainsaw is an excellent option for homeowners and gardeners seeking a lightweight, easy-to-use tool for light cutting and pruning tasks. Its high-performance motor, user-friendly design, and safety features make it a practical choice for a variety of applications. Next up, at number 4, we have the Craftsman CMCCS320D1 mini cordless chainsaw. The Craftsman CMCCS320D1 mini cordless chainsaw is designed to provide a compact and lightweight solution for small cutting tasks. With features aimed at ease of use and convenience, this chainsaw appeals to both casual users and those with limited outdoor space. Here's a detailed look at its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right tool for your needs. Pros. Impressive cutting power. The Craftsman mini chainsaw is capable of making up to 85 cuts on a single charge, making it an efficient tool for various light-duty tasks. Whether you need to trim branches or cut through smaller logs, this chainsaw provides adequate power for everyday gardening and landscaping needs. Cut capacity. With a 6-inch bar and chain, this chainsaw boasts a cut capacity of up to 4 inches. This makes it suitable for tackling small to medium branches with relative ease, offering versatility for various applications in your yard or garden. Compact and lightweight design. The CS320D1 is 50% more compact and 14% lighter than its predecessor model, CS21L210, making it highly portable and easy to maneuver. This feature is especially beneficial for users who may struggle with heavier tools, providing enhanced control during use. Integrated tip guard. The chainsaw includes an integrated tip guard that helps users maintain control during uppercuts, enhancing safety and precision. This feature is particularly valuable when working at different angles or heights, allowing for more accurate cuts without sacrificing safety. Reliable clamping system. The bolt lock chain tensioning system ensures that the chain remains securely in place during operation. This reliability not only improves safety but also minimizes the risk of the chain loosening, providing a more consistent cutting experience. Cons. Limited cutting capacity. While the 4-inch cut capacity is sufficient for small branches, users with larger cutting needs may find this chainsaw limiting. It is not suitable for heavy-duty tasks or cutting through thicker logs, which may necessitate a larger, more powerful chainsaw. The Craftsman CMCCS320D1 mini cordless chainsaw is an excellent choice for homeowners and casual gardeners looking for a lightweight and user-friendly cutting tool. Its impressive cutting power, compact design, and thoughtful safety features make it ideal for small tasks and precision cutting. Taking the third spot is the Skil PR0600B mini cordless chainsaw. The Skil PR0600B mini cordless chainsaw is designed for users seeking a lightweight and efficient tool for light pruning and cutting tasks. With a host of features aimed at ease of use and functionality, it caters to both novice gardeners and experienced DIY enthusiasts. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons of this mini chainsaw to help you decide if it fits your cutting needs. Pros. Complete kit included. The Skil PR0600B comes as a complete kit, including a 6-inch pruning saw, a WRO, a 22.0 A battery, and a PW 2020V standard charger. This ensures that users have everything needed to get started right out of the box, eliminating the need for additional purchases. Compact and lightweight design, weighing in at just a few pounds. This chainsaw is compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle with one hand. This design allows for greater precision during cuts, reducing user fatigue and increasing control, especially in tight spaces. Tool-free chain tensioning. One of the standout features of the Skil PR0600B is its tool-free chain tensioning system. Users can easily adjust the chain tension with a simple twist of a dial, making maintenance quick and straightforward without the need for extra tools. Powerful brushless motor. The chainsaw is equipped with a powerful brushless motor that delivers impressive performance, allowing for up to 115 cuts per charge when using the included 2.0 A battery. This efficient power usage makes it ideal for small to medium pruning tasks. Auto-lubricating chain. The auto-lubricating chain feature extends the lifespan of the chain and ensures smoother cutting performance. This system reduces the need for frequent manual lubrication, providing convenience and enhancing the overall user experience. Cons. Battery life considerations. While the chainsaw offers up to 115 cuts per charge, the actual number of cuts will vary based on the type and size of the material being cut. Users may need to manage battery life carefully, especially during larger projects. The Skil PR0600B mini cordless chainsaw is an excellent choice for casual gardeners and homeowners looking for a lightweight, efficient tool for light pruning and cutting tasks. Its powerful motor, tool-free tensioning, and auto-lubricating chain make it a user-friendly option that requires minimal maintenance. Coming in at number 2 is the Greenworks CS24L210 mini cordless chainsaw. The Greenworks CS24L210 mini cordless chainsaw is designed for users seeking a lightweight, efficient, and easy-to-use tool for a variety of cutting tasks. Whether you need to trim branches, cut wood for campfires, or engage in general pruning, this mini chainsaw offers features aimed at enhancing user experience. Here's an in-depth look at the pros and cons of the Greenworks CS24L210 mini cordless chainsaw. Pros. Versatile cutting capability. Equipped with a 6-inch bar and chain, the Greenworks mini chainsaw is ideal for trimming branches from downed trees, pruning, and cutting small bundles of wood for campfires. Its size makes it highly versatile, allowing users to tackle various tasks effectively. Powerful brushless motor. The brushless motor enhances the chainsaw's performance by providing more power and longer run times compared to traditional motors. This feature not only extends the life of the motor but also improves cutting efficiency, making it suitable for more demanding tasks. Tool-less chain tensioning. One of the standout features of the Greenworks chainsaw is its tool-less tensioning system. Users can easily adjust the bar and chain tension without the need for additional tools, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. Ultra-lightweight design at just 3.4 pounds. This mini chainsaw is exceptionally lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and operate. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who may struggle with heavier equipment, allowing for extended use without fatigue. Easy to use. The Greenworks CS24L210 mini chainsaw features a push-button start mechanism, eliminating the need for gas, fumes, carburetors, spark plugs, or pull ropes. This user-friendly design makes it accessible to a wide range of users, including those who may be new to using chainsaws. Cons: not suitable for heavy-duty tasks. As a mini chainsaw designed for light to medium-duty tasks, the Greenworks model may not be suitable for heavy-duty cutting or larger logs. Users looking for a more robust tool for demanding projects may need to explore alternative options. The Greenworks CS24L210 mini cordless chainsaw is an excellent choice for homeowners and casual users seeking a lightweight, efficient, and easy-to-use cutting tool. Its powerful brushless motor, tool-less chain tensioning, and ultra-light design make it a user-friendly option for various gardening and cutting tasks. And finally, our top pick, the Worx WG324 mini cordless chainsaw. The Worx WG324 mini cordless chainsaw is designed for users seeking a lightweight, portable, and efficient cutting tool for various gardening tasks. With its combination of power, convenience, and safety features, this chainsaw aims to make pruning and trimming easier and more accessible. Here's a comprehensive overview of the pros and cons of the Worx WG324 mini cordless chainsaw. Pros: lightweight and portable. Weighing in at just 3.9 lbs, including the battery, the Worx WG324 is designed for easy one-handed operation. Its slim and compact design makes it particularly suited for pruning at elevated heights, providing users with the maneuverability needed for various cutting tasks. Expandable power compatibility. This cordless chainsaw operates on state-of-the-art power share batteries, which can be used interchangeably with over 140 20V, 40V, and 80V lifestyle, garden, and power tools in the power share family. This compatibility allows users to expand their tool collection without needing to purchase new batteries, offering great versatility and convenience. High efficiency and speed. Equipped with a high-efficiency motor, the Worx WG324 delivers smooth cuts at a remarkable speed of 22 ft. This powerful performance enables users to trim trees and bushes quickly, making it ideal for users who want to complete tasks efficiently. Impressive runtime. The chainsaw can slice through up to 100 pieces of 2-inch wood on a single charge, providing excellent runtime for extended cutting sessions. This capability means users can accomplish more in one go without frequent interruptions for recharging. Simplified chain tensioning. The chainsaw features an easy-to-use tensioning tool that allows for precise chain tightness adjustments. This ensures optimal performance and safety while minimizing the hassle of maintaining the chainsaw. Enhanced safety features. Worx has prioritized user safety by incorporating an upper chain guard, a hand guard, and a lockout switch to prevent accidental starts. These features help protect users from potential cuts and injuries during operation. Improve comfort and control. The addition of a secondary soft grip enhances comfort and control during use, reducing hand fatigue and allowing for better handling, particularly during extended cutting tasks. Cons: battery dependency. The chainsaw relies on battery power, which can limit usage time depending on the battery capacity and charge. Users should be mindful of battery life and plan accordingly to avoid interruptions during longer projects. The Worx WG324 mini cordless chainsaw is a compelling option for homeowners and casual users looking for a lightweight and efficient tool for pruning and trimming. Its portability, expandable battery compatibility, and safety features make it an attractive choice for a variety of gardening tasks.